When setting up a Farmax file with Farmlets, you will first need to add new Farmlets. To do this, you will first need to be in Farmlet view. Do this by either right-clicking on your farm name and selecting Farmlet view, or double-clicking. Once you're in Farmlet view, right-click on your farm name and then click New Farmlet. Farmlets can be renamed by clicking on the farmlet and typing in the new name. You can also update the display colour used in several reports. Blocks in Enterprise can be added to new Farmlets in two ways. If you need to add a brand new block or Enterprise, right-click on the Farmlet and add the Enterprise and any mobs. If you have pre-existing mobs and blocks, you can click, hold and drag these into the new Farmlet. For stock, this can be done with either an entire enterprise or individual mobs within an enterprise. Supply and demand will then be calculated for the blocks and stock within each Farmlet.